Hey, what's up guys, it's your boy Tony with another video. On this video guys, I'm gonna show you a home life hack, how to make your own hand sanitizer at home. So if you couldn't find one at the store, don't worry, I got you covered. We're gonna make our own recipe right now. So let's get to it. Alright guys, so this is all I have right here guys. Now I bought this one at first because I couldn't find the gel type. Now you can still use the 100% aloe vera. Now I found this one at Walmart. Now the thing about this one guys, it has more of a watery consistency, but you can still use it guys. On this video we're not gonna use it, we're gonna use the gel type. I finally found the gel type. It was a Walgreens. I can't remember the price, but I went and grabbed the last two they had too. All right, and you're gonna need the main ingredient, which is alcohol guys. Now you want to make sure it's 60% or better. Now it's not gonna kill all the viruses, but it's gonna help kill some, right? So what the best thing guys is have some hand soap at home. All right, but when you're on the go, you want to make sure you have a hand sanitizer. Oops. My bad. You want to make sure you have a hand sanitizer on the go when people shake hands or you touch stuff. So now I already had this, so we're just gonna put it to the side and we're gonna go ahead and make our own. I have an empty bottle right here guys, and you want to make sure, well, this is optional guys, if you don't want the hand sanitizer, the homemade hand sanitizer to smell like alcohol, this right here is gonna make it smell good. All right, so I went ahead and got the tea tree oil from Walgreens. Also got it from Walgreens, and oops, I keep dropping this. All right. And of course you're gonna need a little measuring cup or measuring spoon so you can mix up your recipe. So let's get started guys, and it's very simple. Let's get to it. You can see right here, this is the real aloe vera plant. Now we're not gonna cut this one because this is my mom's plant and it's still small, but you can feel, I can feel it right now. It has the little gel type. So if you can't find these products, go ahead and find you one of these plants, and just make sure it's an aloe vera plant, and you can cut it and it's gonna have little slime inside this plant. So that's another option too guys. All right, but let's get started guys. I got the cup right here, and I'm gonna choose this one right here. We're gonna use this aloe vera gel, and well, let's first start with the alcohol, and we're gonna do 2/3 of alcohol. All right, let's see. Guys, so after you already got your 2/3 of alcohol, you're gonna use another container, and so we can mix it up on this one. And I'm just gonna pour it right here. This is all the alcohol. All right, now we're gonna do 1/3 of aloe vera. Now, like I said guys, you can use the liquid form, the gel type, if you can find these two at the shelf at the store. And if you can't find all of these, go to your neighbor somewhere, or even some stores have it where you can buy the plant. Make sure it's big. It has a little gel. You can feel the little gel inside, the little slime. You just scrape it off, and it's gonna be just like this right here, guys. All right. So on here, guys, we're gonna do 1/3 of aloe vera. So let's put it right here on this cup, measuring cup, and it smells good. Can y'all smell it? All right, here we go. One third right there. Looks like 1/3. Okay, so we're looking like. Gonna add a little bit more. Here we go. There you go. All right, so now I'm just gonna bring my alcohol guys and put it right here on this cup. All right, and what we're gonna do now guys is we're gonna mix it up. And that's how you do your hand sanitizer life hack guys. Very simple, easy. All right, so this aloe vera does have a nice smell to it, so it's not gonna smell straight alcohol. Now we do have this essential oil right here guys, which I'm gonna use probably gonna drop about 8 drops of this so it can smell good. All right, depending how it looks like, you might want to add a little bit more of a aloe vera. All right guys, so now I'm gonna add my essential oil to my formula, my hand sanitizer. Now this is optional if you want to add some type of smell to your hand sanitizer. Now I decided to go with the tea tree oil, so we're gonna drop 8 drops of this. All right, here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. All right, so let's mix it up. Guys, so we finally done with the recipe. As you can see, it did not take that long. I'm already mixing it up, and like I said, guys, this is just optional if you want to add some type of good smell to your homemade sanitizer, hand sanitizer. Right, so the only primary ones that you need is the aloe vera, and your main one is the alcohol. All right, 60% or better. Now, like I said, it won't kill all the germs, but it's gonna help. All right. And yeah, this is how it's looking like right now. You can add more aloe vera if you like, but this is already pretty good. All right, there you go. This is how it looks like. Next step is you want to put it on an empty bottle, so that's what we're gonna do right now. And here we go. So there you go, guys. We finally got our homemade sanitizer. Nice life hack that you can make at home, guys. So now let's kill some germs. There you go. Oh yeah, who needs some? And that's how you make your homemade sanitizer. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in another video. Stay tuned for more videos, and let's kill some germs.